Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the shape tool and how to edit and manipulate vector points and nodes. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different software we do cover and we upload videos daily. Otherwise, let's just head back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the shape tool. So I'll put a link in the description to the previous video that had a nice overview. But for now, we're going to be looking at a few other features. Now, also just a disclaimer, when I started with this tool, it was rather frustrating because like let's say you've got your shape tool selected, which is on your tool panel here on the left. It's got that little node editor with a crosshair. And let's say you've got a node selected, and sometimes what will happen is you'll hover your mouse till you get the right thing. Okay, this time it actually worked, but what you get often is it shows that little move arm, and then when you'll click, it will just create a selection box like that. So it shows you the node, you click and drag. Okay, it's a very bad example now, but I get that all the time where it's just you're trying to edit a node and it just doesn't want to play along. But the number one reason for that is people don't zoom in close enough. So if we zoomed out here, we hover, try to get that little hand. As you can see, it's just, it's like I said, it can be very frustrating. So the secret to that is actually just zooming in real close. You select your point and then it's easier to edit. So keep that in mind if you get quite frustrated. And then I'm also going to just quickly set the nodes so that you can see more of it. I'm going to set the thickness a bit lower so it's easier to see what we're doing here. Let's change them to red. Okay, so then a few features to look at. So like I said, the zoom is very important. We've got the zoom tool here on the left on the toolbar. We have a video where we covered more in depth on it, but in just a quick overview, we've got the zoom in and out here. And we've got a zoom bar. You can also keep Alt in on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel in and out. And to navigate to the right area, you can just click on these little location bars and move it. Now, so to select a node, you can just drag a little box over the corner with your node shape tool selected. And you'll see it will highlight it in blue. Then you can select multiple nodes as well, which is good to know. And then to add and remove nodes, so if you want to remove a node, you select it and you just hit delete. If you want to add a node, then you have to go to your pen tool or draw tool here on the left. Then you hover over the path until it makes a little plus. If it makes a plus and you click, then as you can see, it added a node there. Then you go back to your shape tool and then we've got that node. Let's remove that for now. And then let's say a quick way to move nodes. Let's say you want to move these nodes more to the right. Instead of selecting them, you can just hover between them. When it makes this little snake icon, you can click and drag. That way it will actually, it's a very quick way to adjust between node points. Like I say, you can also select them, zoom in, you hover with your mouse so you can kind of find that little move icon, and then you can do the same thing. And then you see we also can obviously move individual points. See if you want to create a bit more unique shape. And then next up what we'll do is we'll look at these different options on top here with the different corner arms. We'll be doing that in another video. So if we just quickly head to our website here, so if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video more like it. As you can see, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. We also have the search option, so if you're looking for anything specific, and then we have this requested training video. If you don't find what you're looking for, then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.